Hi there, I'm Rachel, and I work on safety here at Snap. From the beginning, Snapchat was designed to help people communicate with their close friends in an environment that prioritizes their safety and their privacy. For teens aged 13 to 17, we offer additional protections to keep the focus on connecting with people they know in real life. Here are the key things to know about our safeguards. Our goal is to make it difficult for young people to be contacted by people that they don't know. And that's why Snapchat has unique protections designed to make it harder for strangers to find or communicate with teens. Friend lists are private, which reduces social pressure and restricts strangers and friends alike from easily seeing a person's social circle. We don't allow teens to communicate with anybody that they haven't added as a friend or already have in their phone contacts. And in many cases, we don't allow teens to surface as a suggested friend or in search results unless they have several friends or phone contacts in common. We have enhanced friending protections that prevent the delivery of certain suspicious friend requests, making it harder for strangers to add teens. And if teens do accept a friend request and receive a message from someone who we think they may not know, we send an in-app warning to make sure that they want to be in contact and to remind them to only communicate with people that they trust. By default, privacy and safety settings for teens on Snapchat are set to strict standards. Contact settings for teens are set to friends and phone contacts only, meaning that teens can't communicate with anyone they haven't already accepted as a friend. Location sharing is off by default, which means that Snapchatters have to proactively opt in to share their location with friends on the Snap Map. We only allow Snapchatters to share their location with their existing Snapchat friends, and there is no option to broadcast their location to the wider Snapchat community. Snapchat has community guidelines. That's our set of rules that help Snapchatters use our app safely. Our guidelines explicitly prohibit bullying and harassment, sharing sexually explicit content of yourself or others, spreading false information, or engaging in criminal activity like threatening violence or buying or selling illicit drugs. We have zero tolerance for severe offenses, and we take this extremely seriously and quickly remove content, disable accounts, and take measures to try to ensure that users who engage in these harms cannot get back on Snapchat. We also escalate emergencies to law enforcement, and we work to support their investigations. We offer easy ways for teens to block any person they no longer want to be in contact with, and to confidentially report a safety concern to us. Our reporting tools are available directly in the app and also online for those who don't have a Snapchat account. Reports go directly to our safety teams who work 24/7 to take quick action if they can confirm a violation. And even though conversations on Snapchat delete by default, when we identify illegal and potentially harmful content, we retain that data for longer periods. Snapchat also offers our Family Center. It's our set of in-app parental tools. Just as Snapchat was built to help people communicate with their friends in the same way they do in real life, Family Center reflects the dynamics of real-world relationships between parents and their teens, where parents have insight into who their teens are spending time with while still respecting their teens' privacy. Specifically, caregivers using Family Center can see who their teen is friends with and who they've been recently communicating with, use content controls to filter out sensitive or suggestive content, easily and confidentially report any concerns directly to our safety teams, see if and how often their teens are chatting with MyAI and restrict the ability for MyAI to respond, and view their teens' safety and privacy settings. The safety and well-being of Snapchatters is a top priority for us. Our work will never be done, and we look forward to continuing to share even more protections, tools, and resources to help protect our community.